Hey everybody, welcome back to part 2 of my LED upgrade tutorial. I appreciate you sticking with me as we finish off this exterior LED mod on my pickup. Replacing your reverse lights will be a little more work to pull off, but having your reverse lights be LED is great for getting rid of one of the few yellow bulbs left on your truck and for better visibility when you're backing up, even while you're using your backup camera. Let's get started. For this mod, you will need an LED replacement for a 921 incandescent light bulb. I will link the bulbs I used in the description. You will also need a T15 Torx screwdriver or a bit with a drill. I would also recommend a pair of work gloves. The taillight will require a decent amount of force to remove, and its edges are rather sharp. Trust me, it could happen. Alright, off to the truck. The first step is to drop your tailgate and remove these two T15 screws. Everything is threaded into metal, so don't worry about threading them back into plastic when you put everything back together. You should also notice how there is a little bit of wiggle room with these screws. When you put everything back together, make sure you get the taillight tightly back into place before you lock it down with these screws. After the two Torx screws are removed, you can pull the taillight out. You'll have to pull the taillight straight back due to the several plastic pins, and even when you do that, you'll still have to overpower these two special threaded plastic pins that grab into these orange inserts. It's a pain, and even the smartest YouTuber can cut their thumb when they finally let go. Now you can remove the reverse light plug from the taillight. It's an easy counterclockwise turn and pull straight out. The LED bulb I used required more force to get the electrical contact into the plug than the original bulb does, but in the end it should fit nice and snug. Insert and twist the plug back into the taillight and you are ready to put everything back together. It's really hard to show the lighting improvement in pictures or video, but as you can see in this picture, not only do you get a brighter bulb with the LED on the right, but you also get rid of that yellowish color you get with an incandescent bulb on the left. That true white color really adds to the high-end look this truck already has going for it. Everything is the same with the other side, so repeat all the steps and you are done. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't watched part 1, be sure to check out my previous video and see how to upgrade your front turn signals to LED as well as the license plate bulbs. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to support me and to keep up with my videos. I just ordered a top-of-the-line tonneau cover, and I'm really excited to install it and share it with you guys. I'll see you then.